So this video is to show you another type of classwork you can assign on Google Classroom, and this is an assignment. So you would get to it the same way you get to questions. You would go to the classwork tab, and on the top left-hand side, you'd choose Create, and you'd choose Assignment. So assignment is a little bit longer than a question. You can do a lot more with it. So this example is a quiz, a science quiz about why is the sky blue? And the students are going to be watching a YouTube video and answering the questions the best they can. So I've already attached the YouTube video, and I found this by adding a YouTube video. And all I did was search, why is the sky blue? I'll show you right now. And when I searched that, it loaded a bunch of different videos about why is the sky blue, and you can preview them here. You can also copy and paste the URL from the search bar on Google, paste it here, and it'll show up, and you can add it to your assignment. I also created a Google form for this where the students have the questions that they will be answering. So let me go back. To add a Google form, I did create forms. And forms are really good because the students can answer the questions just like a multiple choice quiz. This is the one I've been working on, why is the sky blue quiz. And I have a multiple choice, what is not a reason why the sky is blue, I'm sorry, and for them to write a short response about why the sky is blue. And if I want to edit this, I can show you that. To add a question, you use this little plus logo over here. And if you want to add it to the beginning, the end, it doesn't matter because you can always rearrange using this little 6 buttons up at the top. But you have a lot of different choices with Google Forms. You can do short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, so multiple choice with more than one answer. Drop down, they can upload a file, you can use a scale. And it's great because you can mix and match whatever you need to answer your questions. The little required tab is great because it means the kids have to answer the question before they submit the form. So it'll prompt them saying you did not answer all the questions and they have to go back and do it. I'm going to delete that because I don't need that one right now. And then you can change different aspects of it. This is all extra stuff to make it fancier, but this basic is good enough for what they need to be doing. You could change the theme. You can preview it. The interesting thing here is you don't send it. Sending it means sending it through email or a link or something like that. You do not need to do that because it is already back on your assignment page. Things over here. It's for all the students, but again, you can assign to just a few for differentiation. You can assign a point value. I actually created a rubric down here that I wanted to show you. I will use the 3 dots to edit it to show you how I made it. You enter criteria, describe the criteria. You use these little pluses to create different levels. So like correct or incorrect for multiple choice. No other option, so I'm going to delete that 3rd level. But for their extended response, I did a category for length. 25 points on target has 5 sentences. Approaching has a few, needs improvement. None received. This is where you might want to use a couple different levels. The great thing about a rubric is that the kids see the rubric when they get the assignment, so they know what you're looking for. And I added the topic science so that I can start sorting my work and that the kids can see what subject matter this is for. So I'm going to save. I already submitted this. I was showing you the edited version, but when it shows up, again, it looks like this. The kids get the rubric, they get the question, they get the Google form. 0 have turned it in. I've assigned it to 2. The directions are here. Really straightforward. Shows up under the science tab. On the stream, it'll show up as a new assignment and has the due date. So there's so many different things you can do with assignments. I'll probably make more videos about assignments and the different ways you can use it. This was assignments using a Google form and an embedded YouTube video. So I hope that helped, and I hope you can find use for this in your own classroom.